Hey, Fluffy. Hey, Fluffball. Hey, Fluffball. Where's your ball? So when you have a husky, you have to make sure that you keep replacing their balls every few days, because if you won't, the ball goes like this. It's punctured, and look at the condition. You want to look at the other one? Have a look. Yep. He is a master of disaster. Hey, Fluffy. Hey, Fluffball. Hey, Fluffball. I know what you're up to. I know what you're up to. Yes, it's yours. It's yours. Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? No, Mama. No, 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 no. Not a chance. Can I get it? No, 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 no. Not a chance. This fluff butt wants to play, but he won't leave the ball. How do I play? How do I play? How do I play? How do I play? Monkey. Can I get the ball? Can I get the ball? Can I get it? Nope. Can I get the ball? Can I get the ball? Nope. It's mine. I am the king. It's my crown. Who's coming? Who's coming? Who is that? Who is that? Is there someone? There is no one. Is there someone? Hi, Fluffy. What can you smell? What can you smell? Yes, it's yours. This is yours. Fluff, fluff, fluff.